What is up, guys? It's Saverick here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Sky Q Mini. Let's get into it. So if we look around the box, on the top it says Sky Q Mini, obviously, and it has a massive Q. On the top it says Sky and Sky Q. On the bottom it says it can be recycled. And it's made in China. Everything's made in China, obviously. It's also it's got HDMI, Dolby Audio, Wi-Fi, and apparently it's Wi-Fi certified. And the other side it just says Sky Q Mini. Let's start unboxing it. So we got this in a package, but I've left the other one out. So we got this HDMI cable with a pink end and a black end, and the cable is black. If we just pull that bottom bit up, open it, then we have the power lead. This thingy, I don't know what it is. The Sky remote. So I think this is the warranty card, and some batteries, and the Sky Q Mini. Okay, let's go into detail about this. So if we look around the Sky Q Mini, here at the front it says Sky. It has this thingy. I don't know what it is. If anyone in the comment section can say to me. Yeah. This is the on button, and this is the WPS connector, which will connect it to the Sky broadband and the Sky routers. And also, this is quite a sleek looking box. On the back it has the power port, the Ethernet cable, HDMI cable, AV cable, optical out, and the USB cable. On the sides it's just blank. That's all of it, so let's go and set this up. So after turning the console on, we have to press the select button on the controller to go to step 2. After step 2, we need to press the WPS button on each console, so the mini and the main one, and then we'll hopefully be brought to step 2. Step 2 is obtaining an IP address where we don't have to do anything. After step 2, that means step 3, I believe it is connecting it to the Sky Q box, the other one. Now we're in, we can now explore the home screen. So it's got a home menu where you can do whatever you want. Catch up TV on demand, Sky Cinema, Sky Store, sports channels, kids channels, music, and apps online. And on apps there are many more. like YouTube, Spotify and Vevo. After that is the online videos, settings, help and my account. So I believe that's it, and goodbye.